everybody, Michael here from Technoid. Anyway guys, today's episode is a little different. I normally don't do these vlog type videos, but today's a very special video today because today, also just got out of the gym. I'm gonna get changed real quickly so we start filming. But today I got a very special video for you guys. So for the longest time, my mother has been wanting a Mac, but not just any Mac. She's always wanted an iMac. Since the first Macintosh, since she came to the United States from Guyana, she's heard so many good things about the Mac. You can hear it in the background. She's always wanted a Mac. The problem is that we've always been Windows users, but it wasn't until I recently switched over to the MacBook when I was in high school that my mom started using it more and more, and she started to develop a liking for the Mac even more. So when Apple announced the refreshed iMac with the M1 chip, my mom had looked at it, saw it one day and said, I want it. So in the process of me upgrading my MacBook Pro to the M1 Pro version, I got my mom the iMac. And I didn't get her just any. I got her exactly what she wanted. She wanted a purple one. I made sure to get it. So this video is all about my mom and her unboxing and experience. And for anybody purchasing an iMac, this one's for you. So enough talking. Let's get down to business. Alrighty. The 24-inch iMac. Wait, before we open, Mom, you've wanted a Mac all your life. I remember you told me
It's so nice. It looks so modern. It looks like...
Not even that. Remember you came to America, you told me how you saw the Macintosh. The first one, the first Macintosh, the first.
I never even thought I could use one of those things.
Well, look at it, 30 years, maybe 40 years later, it's sitting right here. So go ahead, you do the honors. I'm gonna get you from this angle. This is all you. This is for you. You wanted this computer, you got it.
Yeah.
All right, let me give you a hand. Actually, wait. Oh, it pulls. Hold on. Maybe turn it the other way. Turn it the other way. I forgot how Apple does this with the Macs. I don't know exactly if it's going to be one way, so we don't want it to fall off. Wait, hold on. I got the box.
You got a box?
I got it.
What do I have?
Now you pull. There you go. Okay, let's move it.
Oh, wow.
There you go. Oh, it's on those stands. That's why.
That's why.
Oh, wow. iMac. Here's the handle.
Okay,
I'll grab it for you.
Yeah, pick them out of...
Oh, this thing's got a little weight to it.
Yeah. I'm surprised. I thought it would be like...
Oh, be careful. Now, there's two ways you could do it. You could do it flat. So let's take a look at the box. This purple. You got the purple color because you said you...
Yeah.
Look at the back. Check out this. This shows you like the full 360 of the Mac.
Okay, that's the back of the computer.
Yeah. So tell you what. Let's move this stuff over so you can put it flat down. Oh, yeah. My bad. Alrighty. So just like the box, you got the pull tab. So let's put it flat. So this way you can open the machine safely. And I'll pull this one.
You know, the reason I got the purple is because I had this purple.
Yeah.
The iPad was purple.
There you go. I pulled the tab for you. And now you can just lift up. Nice and gentle.
Oh, the whole thing comes up like?
I think so. From the...
Yeah.
There you go. It would be so much better. Oh, wait. This is caught. That's why. There you go.
Okay.
All right. There you go. Hello.
It says hello.
And you can push these out to the side.
Oh, nice. Oh, how sweet is this?
Yeah. And look at this. It's like a nice little package. Oh, look at that. All right. You lift your computer. Be careful with it. This is your computer. Ooh. All right. Look at that.
So the back, oh, this comes off. And
Don't pull it off yet.
No.
Let's take a look and see what you get in the box.
So this is the back.
This is the back of the computer.
And it just stands up like that?
It just stands up like that. You can tilt the screen. Here, let's put the computer right here for temporarily. We'll let you open up the screen in just a second. So that way you can have the enjoyment of looking at it. But let's see. I like that. Hello. I like that.
And it says hello, and then you got a little piece in the back here.
Yeah. It's very thin. I'm surprised. It's a very thin computer. This is like the first major refresh of the Mac since the 2000s when Steve Jobs did the aluminum. So this is like the biggest refresh the Macs have ever had since then.
Okay.
Go ahead, pull it off.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
I don't think money could have bought that reaction. That's genuine.
Oh,
This
it's cute. It's like a mall.
Yeah. Well, there's a lot of stuff we're gonna have to pull off after because there's a lot of protective film.
Oh, okay.
So you go on, you get cracking. Apple does it nicely because they give you an indicator how to pull it off.
Thank you, guys. Thank you,
Oh.
thank you.
Mwah. You're welcome. You better thank Dad too. He helped out.
I will.
Apple's very minimal, but they do give you a nice bit of accessories. And I paid the extra few dollars for you to get the premium keyboard. So here, let me help you. There you go. So inside you get a nice keyboard.
Right.
This is with the numeric side. So if you like the numbers,
Yeah.
that's the power adapter. I'll show you that in just a second.
This is the Apple. This is the little.
That's the power, or maybe the yeah.
Yeah.
I'll teach you all about it. I think you'll catch on very fast because Apple makes these Macs very easy to use. See how they put the Ethernet on the brick? So that way it doesn't take away from the design. And one of the things I found out, this brick is where the heat gets sent. So the reason why they use these 3 prongs and a magnetic connector is so that way the computer stays nice and cool. All the heat goes to the brick. So that way it can perform nicely. You're gonna love this computer. I think I'm loving it more than you. Well, don't worry. I'll set it up for you.
This is me. You're gonna be using my computer.
No, I got my MacBook coming. I'm surprised yours came faster than mine. They said it was gonna come at the end of the month. This one, but I guess they probably had the stock.
They had them in stock.
Yeah. One more thing. You got a cable here, lightning cable that's braided, so you can charge. This is actually something I could use. I don't know if you'll need it because you got an Android.
Well, this is for my Android.
Well, look at the other side. That's for the iPhone.
Oh.
Sorry, I'll take that.
This is good. Though.
But this is the last thing they give you, the mouse. This is called the Magic Mouse.
This is the Magic Mouse.
I hate it because of the design, but the mouse itself is pretty cool.
Oh, it's purple.
Yeah, they made everything match the colors.
Oh wow.
Very nice.
And really, how do you?
Oh, it's easy. So the mouse, you just it's all like a magnet. It's sensitive. You can touch it anywhere, and that's really how it works. And yeah, this is the iMac. So here, why don't you hold the camera? I'll pull the stuff off, and then I'll plug it in just to show you what it looks like when you start it up. Because then I'll take care of the rest. I'll make sure it's set up for you. I'll make sure you get. I'll put it on the basics.
Oh, you tape it?
Yeah, you can tape
Oh, okay, tape it.
Let me show you. So this brick has a 3-prong connector. So you take this and you plug it in. So if anything ever happens, you can always replace it. Now watch, come around the back. I'll plug it in here, just as a demonstration. Then of course. So this goes in the back here. So I wanted you to do it, but it's gonna be a little rough. So let's do it nice and easy. So you take this magnetic connector and you put it in the back here, and listen to the sound of it. Once I get it in. 1 second, let me turn it around. You heard that?
Click.
And it's in there tight, so it's not going anywhere. Now go to the front of the computer. Welcome to your Mac. There you go. Now it's setting up the system initiative. And yeah, you're all set. Welcome to the world of Mac.
Well, I had the iPad. That was
your start. The next step is iPhone. Next up is iPhone.
No, I don't know.
We'll get there when we cross that bridge.
Let's see how this iMac works.
Alrighty, go ahead.